Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Write Chinese with Penny. Today we're going to learn how to say basketball team in Chinese. That is 篮球队. 篮球 means basketball. We've learned it in another video clip. This character means team, 队. Team, the basketball team, 队. 篮, I'm going to show you step by step how to write these characters. 篮. See, notice this character has these segments that they are the same. They are being repeated 3 times in here, and in this corner, lower left corner, there are 2 vertical lines, and then here's the bottom part. If you can say this character has 3 sections: the top tier, the middle tier, and the bottom tier. Now step by step. This is the first tier and 2 lines, vertical lines. Again, top tier, the middle tier, and here's the bottom part. 篮球队的篮. Okay, I'm doing this part again. 篮. Okay. 球 means ball. 篮球 basketball. This by itself means ball.球 篮球队 means team. Contains left part and right part. This right part means person. 队. This is 1 stroke. Second stroke, make a long vertical line. 队篮球队篮球队 basketball team. Thank you for watching.